Hi, I'm the Marketing Mum and welcome back to my channel or to my channel. Just want to give a big thank you to all my new subscribers. Thank you so much for hitting that button. It really does make a big difference and I still do my little happy dance every time I see a new subscriber. So thank you so much to you, you beautiful people. So today we're going to be talking about Google Trends. Like you, I don't have much time to waste. So what this video is about is using Google Trends to your advantage and stop wasting time on video ideas or any sort of ideas that aren't going to go anywhere. So in this video we're going to be saving time by making sure that we create videos that our viewers actually want to see, and Google is more likely to put in front of your intended audience, and make sure we're not wasting time on random topics that no one is interested in. So we're going to be using Google Trends to check for what is actually being searched for now within your niche audience to make sure we focus our efforts on helping that question get answered. Now check the timestamps if you want to jump around if you're a control freak like me, or just sit tight and come along for the full Google Trends ride. So first up, what is Google Trends? Google Trends is a free information tool that lets those interested better understand what people are actually searching for and actually interested in right now. Many marketers use this data as a way to gain insight into customer behaviour, and because of this awesome filter tool right here, YouTubers can check what content is actually being searched for within your niche and make sure that you have the right videos up at the right time to help these searchers out and reign supreme on the YouTube algorithm. So how do we use it to find what our audience is looking for? Well, head on to trends.google.com. And first of all, you'll be able to change the location at the top here if it's not correct, and then we're going to have a quick look on what is trending right now or what people are searching for. So to just check whether or not it's something that your audience would be interested in, because if it is, you could hit the jackpot. So as you can see, it gives a really up-to-date look at what people are searching for right now. Unfortunately for today, it doesn't look like there is anything relevant to my actual site on the top list. So we're going to get more specific here and search for what your audience is actually wanting right now. So click on the Explore tab and type a question that your audience might actually ask, or a topic your channel covers. I'm going to make an imaginary channel on using TikTok, as my daughter is currently obsessed with TikTok. So let's see what we have. You're going to be taken to the info about that particular search, as YouTubers who want to know how to, on this drop down menu, select YouTube, and if the data looks like there's enough there, check the last 12 months so you can actually see whether or not it's heading up or heading down. There is no point creating a video for what people were actually searching for last year. We need recent data. So double check that it's for the area that your audience is in. If you have an area, or if you cover the whole world, then select that option. So how do we even read this information to better understand what we actually need to know? Well, this doesn't show the amount of people that search for the term. It actually shows how much interest there is out of 100. So this being the peak. So you can see this one had a large interest right here, but then it actually went down. But it looks to be rising again. So that's what we actually need to know. Interest is rising and we need to be able to help those people out. So now scroll down, as there is a super useful list down below called related queries. So this is going to help you see if there is a specific topic that actually needs covering by spotting it's a breakout query here. So click to get more information. So make sure the location is still set to where your audience is and look to see if the interest is rising and it's not reverting back from YouTube. We can see this here, so we're going to move down and check the related queries on this particular option. So is there a breakout topic you could cover? Sometimes it says breakout and sometimes it's a percentage increase on the interest that that topic has recently. So breakout is ideal, but anything with a large percentage might actually be worth covering too. So we're going to keep searching through the related queries until we find one that has a rising interest. So based on this particular information, the next video my audience would like to see would be how to go live on TikTok. So let's go check that one out with YouTube now. Head on over to YouTube and use that search term, although there are other videos already made. My stats from vidIQ, which is actually free for this particular bit, is telling me that there is enough search volume for it to actually work. So vidIQ even gives me a link to Google Trends for this particular term to help me out even further if I wanted it. So if you want to take this even further, you can check there isn't a comparison that's going to do better. For example, how to go live on Instagram. So you can compare them on Google Trends and check that you're covering the right area for your audience. So I'm wishing I did this way back when, as the channel would have gone absolutely nuts, but it is still showing as the way forward, and we now know how to keep an eye on the trends to make sure that we're covering the next big thing. So good luck with your search. Let me know in the comment section down below if you have used Google Trends and whether or not you've had a video just blow up with views. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.